Hey guys, so my name is Julia Costa, and the organism that I chose to present is a jellyfish. So I chose her because I found them very fascinating. I love to see how smooth they swim, and also because I already had an experience with them, not a good one. The jellyfish is an animal from the Nigerian subgroup. The genus of the jellyfish is Chrysaora. There are many species of jellyfish, but the one that I found it's called Chrysaora hysucilla, and the order is Pelagidae. I'm not sure how you pronounce. The natural habitat of the jellyfish is in the deep sea, some in pelagic regions, Arctic waters. Cold or warm, you can find jellyfish in all saltwater habitats. The adaptations to their habitats are that they're transparent, which allows them to be less visible to predators. Also, one of the most interesting things about jellyfish is the group of stinging tentacles they have. These tentacles can help them to grab food and also to defend the jellyfish. Stings can be quite painful or may even paralyze other fishes. There are some jellyfish, such as the lion's mane jelly, that develop symbiotic relationship with other fish. The fish live near the tentacles, picking up food and protecting the jellyfish from larger predators. I didn't know that and I found it very interesting. Jellyfishes do not have brain. They have a network of nerves that run throughout their bodies. These nerves help them to sense things in all directions. So as I searched about them, I collected some fun facts about jellyfishes that I found the most interesting ones. Here are the most dangerous jellyfishes found. First, I found there are some species of jellyfish that are used for medical reasons. From the poison contained in the tentacles, medicines are created to regulate human blood pressure and the treatment of lung diseases. Second, the biggest jellyfish is Cyanea. In 1865, an absolute record was recorded when they found one of those jellyfishes, whose diameter was 2.3 meters, and the tentacles reached a length of 36.5 meters. So that was a very big one. Something else interesting about them is that 95% of the jellyfish's body is made of water, and all species have 24 eyes. That's a lot of eyes. There are two phases in the life cycle of a jellyfish. The polyp phase, which is this one. That's the picture that I got from the polyp phase. So this phase, they are attached to the coastal reefs. In this phase, they are sessile organisms, so they don't move. This is the transition of the polyp phase. And the second phase is the medusa phase, when they are free-swimming organisms. That's the picture that I found from the medusa phase. So the medusa phase is also the sexual phase of the jellyfish. The picture that I took from the jellyfish, it was from a trip to Italy. And I have a very fun story, but sad, about that picture. So whenever I would go to the beach, the local people in Italy and lifeguards would tell us about many jellyfishes and to stay away from them. But because I hadn't seen any, I didn't believe them. One day, me and my mom decided to go diving in the ocean, when suddenly I saw close to 50 jellyfishes coming towards us. It was very hard to see them because of the transparency, which is one of its adaptations. I even thought it was just plastic bags. But when they came closer, I could see the beautiful but scary creatures I've heard about them stinging people, but I did not know how painful it was. Unfortunately, we couldn't escape, and both of us got stung by them. As soon as that happened, I felt a very strong burning sensation, and I got out of the water. The people from the beach told us about the treatment options, which were vinegar and also pee. But I did not choose the pee options. I chose the vinegar, and thankfully it worked. The burning sensation stopped immediately. I still have a small scar because of that, but now I know that I should never swim close to jellyfishes again. Thank you, guys.